Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the 5th episode of our drone videography series. Today, we're covering common drone shooting mistakes to avoid, along with practical prevention tips. You might think you captured a great shot while flying, only to realize during editing that the footage is completely unusable. These in-cuts usually happen due to jerky controls, improper camera settings, or ignoring environmental conditions. Today, I'll walk you through the most frequent mistakes and how to solve them, so you can save valuable footage. First is sudden yaw rotation and abrupt acceleration. Snapping your control sticks causes dizzying visuals that tire your viewers, leading to Jello effects and severe gimbal shake. To prevent this, switch your flight mode to Cine mode for smoother stick responsiveness. You can also lower your gimbal pitch and yaw speed settings in your drone app to avoid harsh directional changes. Second is gimbal horizon misalignment and framing errors. A tilted horizon immediately ruins the professional look of your video. Before taking off, always perform an automatic gimbal calibration. On a flat surface, turn on grid lines and the center horizon indicator on your screen to monitor balance in real time. If tilting happens mid-flight, use the fine-tune gimbal menu in your app to correct it on the fly. Third is propeller shadows and frame intrusion. Flying with the sun behind you around noon can cast flickering propeller shadows into your lens. Plus, flying fast in sport mode tilts the drone forward, causing propeller tips to appear in your shot. To fix this, adjust your gimbal angle, or change your flight direction, and stick to normal or Cine mode while shooting to keep the frame clear. Fourth is improper exposure and focus errors. Using auto exposure causes sudden brightness shifts when reframing, blowing out the sky or turning your subject completely dark. Lock your exposure or switch to manual mode to keep lighting consistent. Use ND filters ranging from ND8 to ND64 during bright daytime shoots, and consider shooting in log profiles like M-Log or D-Log-M to preserve highlights and shadow details. Fifth is shooting unnecessarily long and repetitive clips. Holding a single angle for too long forces you to speed up the footage during editing or risks boring your audience. Get into the habit of capping each shot between 6 and 10 seconds, focusing only on the movement you need. Even for the same subject, capture a variety of framing from wide, full shots and medium angles to top-down, bird's eye views to give yourself options in post-production. Sixth is ignoring hazards and environmental conditions. Overlooking power lines, tree branches, or high winds can lead to crashes or ruined, shaky footage. Always verify that your omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors are active, but remember that thin wires and small branches might be missed, so keep direct visual line of sight. Also, avoid flying when wind speeds exceed 18 miles per hour, as it strains both aircraft stability and gimbal performance. Ultimately, elevating your drone footage starts with preventing these common mistakes before they happen. Always double-check your camera settings and calibrate your gear before takeoff to minimize wasted footage in the editing room. In our next video, Drone Videography Part 6, Shooting for the Edit Cut Sequences and Storytelling, we'll cover smart shot composition strategies designed for seamless editing. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.